All right. It's Washaholic Wednesday, and I'm Mike Kinderleiter, Dean of Powerwash at Powerwash University and Powerwash.com. Here, look here. Look who's behind me. This is Brooke Park, our marketing lady, who does an awesome job. And today I want to talk to you about other opportunities in the power washing industry. It's not so much in the power washing industry, but it's related to the power wash industry, as in when we get into the slow season, no longer washing houses, roof washings, or a lot of residential stuff, things start to die down. What are other opportunities we can go after? And what I want to share with you guys today is Christmas lights. We are now going to be selling Christmas lights. We got this cool little display up front here in our office. Let me see if I can turn the camera around so I can show you real quick. Look at there. So, we are going to be doing a class this week on the 5th. You can come to Powerwash.com or you can go online, sign up for that. We'll have a link in the comments below so you can sign up and go to the class. I said 5th? Okay, I was just interrupted. It's not on the 5th, it's on the 25th, this Friday. That's the correct date. I didn't realize I said it wrong, but I do say a lot of things wrong in these videos and have to be corrected. That's just the way it goes sometimes. But anyway, Christmas lights is a great opportunity to fill your schedule in the slow season so you can still make income. And as I've been researching this and found out there is a lot to Christmas lights. So tomorrow afternoon, probably I'll post a date and time. We're going to do a live interview with Mike Hilborn, who's going to be teaching the class on Friday, so you can learn more about Christmas lights and opportunities. We're going to be selling the lights here to help you all out. And as we progress through this whole thing of Christmas light training and stuff, you will be able to add this service to you and your customers. The great thing about this is you already have the customer base, and so you can go out there and get this work yourself. And I know Brooke has really been working hard to help me get this going. Appreciate you, Brooke. And by the way, that is, who's this guy?
Steph with hair.
Steph with hair. And Stephanie. So we've had some fun with some of the artistic abilities of Miguel here at Powerwash.com. So that is a great opportunity for those you guys in the power washing, lawns, landscaping, window cleaning, whatever you do, and you happen to be listening to this and your off season is coming up and things start to dive after October, going into November. Well, October and November, even September are great times to be out there applying Christmas lights and getting that. Now's the time to start getting that customer base. So we're going to be here. We're going to try to help you guys out, get into Christmas lights. Lots of opportunity and great margins in the Christmas light industry. So again, I'm Mike Kinderleiter, Dean of Powerwash at Powerwash University, Powerwash.com. See you next week and have a successful week. Take care.